Oh, folks. Well, it happened. I got my video taken down. You know, I kind of figured this was going to happen. So I did have plans on initializing a counter notification. Okay? It's very surprising that AB or Kirby would not have contacted me directly and had a little chat about the video. Okay? I believe it falls into fair use, and that's going to be the basis of my counter notification. But was my opinion about these guys wrong? I mean, I don't know. I mean, me, I would have handled it differently. Plenty of ways to get a hold of me. Could have dropped me a private message on the Facebook or whatever. Drop me an email. Hey, whatever. But I guess I do things different than what you guys do. You know, I mean, perfectly within your right to file a complaint. I don't hold that against you. You know, I just would have done it different. But I am going to repost the video with the content that is deemed to be in violation removed. Just my comments on the situation. For those of you who may not have seen the video, I will give a brief description. JB and Kirby, they go to Franklin Barbecue in Austin, Texas. They say their plane was late, so they had people hold a spot in line, get there early, so they can come in late and jump in line in front of all the other people waiting. My question to you guys, and I'm still going to post it out there, I want you guys to post up. Tell me, is line jumping okay? Is it not okay? You tell me. I think it's bad. I don't know why anybody in their right mind would think that line jumping is okay. But apparently, they must feel it's okay. They never posted up anything about it. They never contacted me about it. So they must feel it's in their inalienable rights to line jump. Remember, guys, I always said I like to fight. That's why I'm going to take and make this formal counter notification. I'm going to do it per the way YouTube wants. I'm going to tell them it's fair use. My intent of the video was different than their intent. My intent was to talk about the line jumping. That's all I can say. I'm not mad. I'm happy. This gives me precedence. Tells me if I can do this or if I can't do this. It's all about precedence. I was kind of expecting it. I mean, I didn't expect them to do it without contacting me first, saying, hey, we don't like this. You're making us look bad, dude. You know, I am ready for the penalties that are going to be bestowed upon me. I guess you get a strike. Strike one. Strike two. Strike three. You're out, motherfucker. So anyhow, here's my commentary on the video that got me my first strike. Well, folks, Memorial Day. All the veterans, all those who served, gave the ultimate sacrifice. You guys rock. Hey, Al, who wants to go on a trip? Who wants to go to Texas? Let's go to Texas with Kirby and AB and go get some of that barbecue. Franklin's famous. Ought to be good. What? I'm hearing here, Kirby, you jumped the line? Really? I thought you had more courtesy than that, dude. Those people there, they're enablers. That's bad, okay? What about all those people you've seen sitting in lawn chairs waiting for hours? Waiting for hours. I know your plane was late, but shit happens, dude. It happens, okay? And those people right there, all smiles and giggles, they shouldn't be smiling and giggling. They should be thinking to themselves, what the fuck did I just do? I hate. That's happened to me many times, and I'll tell you later what happens here. What happened to me. But that's bad. I'm sorry. I can't get with that. But let's see what the barbecue looks like, because I'm really interested in that. That's a load of meat there. I know Texas is an open carry state. That don't look like a gun. That don't look like a gun. That don't look like a gun. That definitely ain't a gun. Why don't you steal that motherfucker's food right there? Rather jump in the line, that's what I'd do. Take the food. He did the double fist there. Oh yeah, Kirby looking like he's in heaven. Now we know how old AB works. Slides the 2 fingers, eh? He likes the 2-finger method. I don't blame you. Stick 'em in there. Ho ho! I know he ain't coughing it up. That just exploded in his mouth. Look at that! Explosion! He's like, oh! That just knocked the shit out of me. Yeah. Oh, yeah, right. 3 to 4 hour wait. Unless you're Kirby and AB and just hop the line. Kirby's going to be pulling that off the bone. Watch and see. Get rid of that bone. Put a piece of bread on it. Slather it up with some hot sauce. Some hot barbecue sauce. Just dribbling down. Can you see the sauce? Just dribbling down smoky, hot, spicy sauce. In between a couple of Kaiser rolls or something like that. Oh, a tour? They got to go on a tour? Holy crap. Pretty awesome. Are you sneaky enough to jump the line and not get shot in Texas? Okay? Where these guys carry guns everywhere and you're jumping the line and you didn't get shot? You're not sneaky enough to wear a set of spy cameras? You know, they got them spy cameras that go on the glasses. They got lapel pins. You're not that sneaky to do that? Come on, man. Get it together. Yeah, we're taking that. I bet you there's still people waiting in line, too. But I bet you there's still people waiting in line to get in that place. Let's check and see. Hey! Half of them from California, only half of them going to jump the line this time. Ah. Well, it looks like they had fun, but that's kind of disappointing. Let me ask you guys, what do you think? Line jumping okay or line jumping a fuck no? To me, it's a fuck no. Let me tell you why. Back in the day, I used to go do a lot of going to wrestling events and stuff. WCW. And there used to be a guy running around. He'd always show up at these televised events and he dressed up like Hulk Hogan. Looked pretty much just like him. First time I saw him in one of these lines, he came out of nowhere. Maybe he was there in the bathroom or something. I didn't say nothing, you know. So I went to another one. I was sitting in line. I mean, I'm talking these are overnights, okay? Waiting in line overnight. And I'm waiting there. I'm thinking, I'm looking around. I'm like, I want to see if that guy's around here, you know? I want to see if he gets in line with the rest of us. I didn't see him. Go in there. You know, I'm like the 4th or 5th group to be getting tickets. And out of nowhere, he shows up. He shows up and gets in front of me a couple groups ahead. I'm like, oh, I see what's going on. This little dickhead, he's coming last minute, jumping the line, and getting good tickets. Piss on waiting, right? So I'm going to another event, and this is a big one. It's like a pay-per-view. I told my buddy was wanting to get tickets to Shania Twain or something like that, and the tickets were going on sale the same day. And I said, I'll tell you what, let's take my motorhome. I had a big Class A motorhome back then. We could go crack a few cold ones, play some cards, take a nap or two before they actually open the gates. We did that, and we're hanging around with the people, and We start talking. They're like, you brought a motorhome. I'm like, yeah, I ain't no dummy. So I said, we're going to go play some cards and drink some beers. You guys welcome to come. So there was about 10, 15 people in there with us. We're playing cards, got 2 different card games going. I start talking, and I start telling about this Hulk Hogan lookalike motherfucker. I said, hey, I said, twice that fucker jumped the line in front of me. I said, if he does that today, if he jumps in front of me, I'm throwing his ass out, and I'm throwing the motherfuckers that let him jump in front of me out, too. I said, that shit ain't happening today. That's done. And they're like, oh, yeah, that's great. Well, the door's open. We all pile inside. I'm a few people back. Guess who the fuck walks in? Mr. Hulk Hogan lookalike motherfucker. He walks in there. He goes in and gets in front of me in line with the people that was in my fucking motorhome. I'm like, are you fucking serious, you guys? I just told you. I told you what was gonna happen, didn't I? Get your fucking asses out, all of you motherfuckers, right now. We don't want no trouble. I said, well, you got trouble, motherfuckers. I told you. Get out. We don't want to lose our spot, man. I said, I'll tell you what. I'll make you a deal. You kick that motherfucker out right now. Tell him, get the fuck out. I'll let you stay. But I hear one fucking word, and if you don't do it, I'm going in beast mode, and I'm taking all you motherfuckers out. So they told him, they said, well, we can't do it, man. So he got out, and he's milling around, and he's going up talking to a couple other people. I said, no, get the fuck out of here. He had a fucking leather coat that was sitting on like a rail. I grabbed that fucker. I threw the fucker outside. I said, go get your fucking coat. Don't come back in here. I see you in here again. You're going to be inside that fucking coat. From that point on, I don't take shit. Okay? These poor people that were in that line there, they didn't say nothing. Okay? A lot of people are afraid to say stuff. Okay? They don't want to cause a scene. They don't want to be in trouble. But I was surprised because Texas, you guys are carrying guns, man. That's insane. But anyhow, I'll tell you what. Why don't you guys let me know? Is jumping line okay with you? Not okay? You don't care? Kind of like a don't ask, don't tell policy? Let me know in the comments, because I perused their comments. Nobody asked anything about jumping the line. Nobody said nothing. Come on. Let's get it on. Kirby? AB? That's bad. I love you guys, but don't do that. Just don't do it, man. Happy Memorial Day, everybody. Go eat some barbecue. Hell, get down to Franklin's if you can. Hell, maybe Kirby or AB's got something going. Let's go over to their house. Jump their house. Break into their house and take their barbecue, man. Let's go.